Hey friends, so right off the bat, if you'd like this video, just private message me if you want to talk more about what I'm going to talk about. Just Facebook private message me, and my website is tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. So this past week I did this experiment, and I'm going to be doing more experiments like this because it's a lot of fun, and I can, so why not? So I wanted to challenge myself to mimic having a full-time job, a full-time and a half really. So some of you know I've been driving with Uber and Lyft for a little over a year now, and every dollar I make goes towards my affordable housing project. I never ever spend any of it or save it on myself. Never ever ever would I do that kind of income that way. Never, never ever. I'll go into more on that, how I pay bills if I don't take any of the money for me. So I did this experiment last week where I wanted to mimic having a full-time job or full-time and a half. I did this like somewhere between 50 and 60 hours, probably closer to 60. So I did the Uber Lyft thing for about 60 hours last week, and I still spent time with my family each and every day, and I still did an hour workout, even though I've got an option to do like, I've got programs in my catalog that I represent of only 10 minutes a day of working out. I took the hour option every day because I wanted to do this experiment justice. So I worked about 60 hours this week on the Uber lifting thing, and an hour a day working out, spent time with my family each and every day. And I still went out and did other things and went out to eat a few times this week and went out and stuff like that. So I had a good balance of things, but still insanely busy. So all these things going on. And I had the most amazing productive week ever. And it also staved off like any kinds of feelings of sadness. It's really great for sadness to be that kind of busy. But most of all, when I was doing this experiment, the point of it was I've been doing a home business for over 10 years. And so sometimes people say that they'd love to, but they don't have the time. So, and I've got like 5-minute trainers and power half hours and all these other things to help with that problem. But I wanted to live it firsthand. And even though I did live it firsthand, say 10 years ago, when I first got started, back when I needed a job back then, but that was a long time ago. I haven't needed a job in many years, and times change, so who knows? So I wanted to update that whole experience. So that's what I put myself through last week. And so between the 60 hours working the Uber Lyft thing, and by the way, every dollar of that went towards my affordable housing project. Not a damn thing on me because I don't need to, don't want to. And spending time with my family each and every day and getting a great hour-long workout every day and then the shower that goes with it. All those things, and I still managed to build my home business each and every day in just a few minutes at a time. So I basically used my 5-minute trainer that I did for that. It's called the 5-minute potty break trainer. And the reason I called it the 5-minute potty break trainer is because it was inspired by somebody in the same organization that I'm in who had no time. So she did it at her job on her bathroom breaks. That was the only, few minutes a day here and there when she went to the bathroom at her job. And she was able to build a 6-figure business from her smartphone that she just whipped out when she was on the toilet. Going to the bathroom in her little 5-minute potty breaks at her work. So I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do a training about that, and I'll call it 5-minute potty break trainer. So I wanted to use it for real, and that's why I put myself what I put myself through last week, and it was awesome. So actually it was more like 2 or 3 minutes at a time, not even really 5 minutes, but 2 or 3 minutes at a time, I was still able to do this. So that's my own personal testimonial, in addition to other testimonials from other people that have gone through something like this. And so most people say they know something about time management. Most people don't know dick about time management, and their life proves it because everything is in chaos. And so I juggled all these enormous time-consuming things based on everything that I had learned with time management, real time management, and I got everything accomplished. I mean, how does that happen? So the 5-minute potty break trainer is where I teach all of that stuff in that training. It's really wonderful. And the company that I'm in particular is health and fitness, so I'm adding health and money to our lives, including my own and people around me, and that's how I don't need a job anymore, and I can go on trips, and I don't need to live underneath the thumb of a boss that can tell me what to do, and I don't need to live that nonsensical pyramid scam lifestyle. The compensation plan for every job is a pyramid scam. It shackles you to the dollar. You got to keep showing up every day or it stops coming in. See, I could stop the Uber Lyft thing and money will still keep coming in. I'm not even taking money from that income anyway. I haven't taken a dollar of it. It all goes towards other causes to help other people. So it doesn't matter. I'm not shackled to that income, and I don't have a job and all these other things. And it can all be done in 5 minutes at a time for people that want to learn something new. That's another thing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have time. Well, not having time, it was totally solved by the 5-minute potty break trainer. And as far as not knowing what to do, you either love learning something new or you don't love learning something new. And I would argue that people that don't love learning new things screw themselves over before anybody else ever could. And that's in all aspects of their life. So this is really for people that are interested in learning something new beyond what they already know and who like solving problems and want to add health and fitness and wellness and money to our lives. Leveraged money, residual money, the kind of leverage that enables somebody to no longer need a job anymore and to live a free human being and decouple themselves from the shackles that have bound them to money all their lives. So if that's you, you'd like the idea of adding health and money to people's lives, including your own, and you like learning something new, something, not just anything, but something that can free you from the shackles of a paycheck, then private message me. I'll show you what I've got, and if it turns you on, we'll do it. So enjoy this video. I'm happy I could be my own testimonial in what I just described in this little live feed. So make it a beautiful day, everybody. I'll talk to some of you very, very soon, okay? Looking forward to the private messages that I'm going to receive and from who I'm going to receive them from. Mwah! Bye for now.